In this video, we will learn about exception handling in Python. So I am writing a new variable, that is x, and I am just assigning the value of x is 10. Now I am writing a try block in which I am writing a print statement, which consists some statement, that is the value of x is. And it consists of defining the variable. After that, I am writing except block, in which I am writing a print statement, in which I pass the statement that is the value of x is not defined. So try and except block will done on the basis of the condition. Then I run the code. It will show me that the value of x is 10 because the x is defined previously. Now I will remove the x so that the working of except block will be shown as I commented out. Now when I run the code again, then it will show me that axis not clearly defined on the terminal. So this is how try and except book work on the successful termination of any condition. Here x is defined and the value of x is showing, but if x is not defined, then except blocks runs. This is the concept of try and except block, basis on the successful termination of blocks.